Hey everyone, today we're diving into a simple but powerful question. What exactly is a brand? You've probably heard people say, that's a strong brand, or we need to work on our branding. But what does that actually mean? When most people think of a brand, they picture a logo. And yes, logos are part of a brand, but they're just the tip of the iceberg. A brand is much more than just a name, a logo, or a color scheme. At its core, a brand is the perception people have of a company, product, or individual. It's how your audience feels when they hear your name. It's the emotions, experiences, and expectations they associate with you. Take Apple, for example. Sure, they have a clean logo and sleek products, but their brand is about innovation, simplicity, and premium experience. That's what people buy into, not just the tech. So, what makes up a brand? It includes your logo and visual identity, your tone of voice and messaging, the customer experience you offer, your mission, values, and story. In short, your brand is your reputation. It's the promise you make and how consistently you deliver on it. Whether you're building a business, a personal brand, or launching a product, understanding this is key to standing out. So the next time you think about your brand, ask yourself, what do I want people to remember? Because at the end of the day, your brand lives in their minds.